The 2026 Lumberman Motorhome has arrived as a powerful new contender in the luxury recreational vehicle market. Designed for adventure seekers who don't want to compromise on comfort, the Lumberman takes the rugged soul of an off-road vehicle and blends it with the refined luxury of a top-tier Class A motorhome. With a bold new design, high-end materials, and smart technology integration, this RV represents a major leap forward for both weekend warriors and full-time road lifers. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Lumberman demands attention. It combines a muscular, industrial aesthetic with aerodynamic lines that improve fuel efficiency. The body is constructed from lightweight aluminum alloy panels layered over a reinforced steel frame, providing durability without sacrificing performance. Its aggressive front grille and LED matrix headlights resemble something out of a modern truck, giving the Lumberman a strong road presence. Optional all-terrain tires and a 4x4 drivetrain allow it to navigate forest trails, desert paths, and icy roads with ease, making it one of the most versatile motorhomes in its class. Inside, the 2026 Lumberman is a masterclass in smart space utilization and luxury design. The cabin is crafted with sustainable hardwoods, leather seating, and stone composite countertops, bringing the comfort of home into the wild. Ambient lighting is customizable and designed to adapt throughout the day, automatically adjusting to match circadian rhythms. The layout offers multiple configurations, including a rear master suite with a queen or king-size bed, a mid-cabin expandable kitchen, and a front lounge area that converts into an entertainment or workspace. Technology plays a huge role in the Lumberman's appeal. It features a full smart home system integrated into its central control panel. Everything from the temperature, lighting, entertainment, and security systems can be managed via voice command or a smartphone app. A built-in AI assistant, similar to Alexa or Google Assistant, responds to voice queries, controls the lighting scenes, or even gives updates on road conditions and campsite availability. The motorhome is also pre-wired for satellite internet and 5G connectivity, keeping travelers connected no matter how remote the location. For power, the Lumberman offers two options: a high-efficiency diesel engine and a hybrid electric model. The diesel version is built for endurance, offering better torque and towing capability, while the hybrid electric version appeals to eco-conscious travelers looking for reduced emissions and greater fuel economy. The hybrid comes equipped with a solar roof array and a regenerative braking system, which feeds power back into the battery system during long drives or downhill treks. When fully charged, the hybrid model can power the motorhome's systems for up to 48 hours without external power. Storage is generous, both inside and out. The undercarriage includes weather-sealed compartments for tools, sporting gear, or even small motorcycles. Inside, you'll find hidden compartments under the flooring, ample cabinetry, and customizable modular storage throughout the living space. The kitchen is designed to be both stylish and functional, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, and a smart fridge that tracks your groceries and even suggests recipes based on ingredients. Another standout feature of the 2026 Lumberman is its safety suite. It's loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and even a 360-degree camera system. For off-grid camping, it includes a self-leveling system, integrated water filtration, and a gray-black water management system that can extend your stay away. From service stations, an optional emergency beacon and satellite communication setup provide an extra layer of security for those exploring extreme environments. Sleeping arrangements are flexible. Besides the master suite, the dinette transforms into a double bed, and a drop-down bed above the driver's cabin provides additional space, making it ideal for families or groups. The insulation and climate control systems are engineered for all-season use, allowing you to chase summer or embrace winter landscapes in complete comfort. What truly sets the 2026 Lumberman apart is its ability to balance rugged independence with smart living. It doesn't just get you from point A to B, it turns every stop into a destination. Whether parked by a mountain lake or in the heart of a national forest, it transforms into a self-sufficient base camp with panoramic windows, a retractable deck, and a built-in awning system that creates an instant outdoor lounge. In a world where mobility, independence, and comfort are more important than ever, the 2026 Lumberman Motorhome delivers a compelling package. It's more than just an RV, it's a mobile lifestyle platform, redefining how people explore the world. Whether you're a digital nomad, a retiree with a thirst for the open road, or a weekend adventurer with big dreams, the Lumberman offers a way to live life on your own terms, without ever sacrificing the comforts of home.